We're told we have to do what we're told, but surely sometimes you have to be a little bit naughty.
Pussy tight, pussy clean, pussy fresh. Pussy pretty, pussy fat, full of flesh. Juice a strain through me panty mesh.
Soldier who carries a mighty sword, he will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear.
Brayden, go back in your bed.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
All the birds of a feather, oh, the one we love most of all. Oh, when the stars strumming guitars, that's why we love Canada.
La ya, la ya, la ya, la ya. She just might be with me, but she's homeless. She's homeless. As she stands there singing from her ear, la la dee la dee la, la la dee la la.
All the birds of a feather, oh, the one we love most of all. Oh, when the stars strumming guitars, that's why we love Canada.
La ya, la ya, la ya, la ya.
You think you're better than me?
I was the first. I have seen everything.
I'm sorry, I can't hold on from laughing, you stupid.
There is only one rule. Keep the lights on. Children sleep punished.
I tried to get the waiter's attention by blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No, thank you. I don't want to die. Bonjour. Sir was blinking at me. Is this because your date is a freak? No. Very good then. Bon appetit.